With all the hype coming out about GPT-5 and how advanced it will be, the question that needs to be considered is, can it think like you? Why do I ask? Because your point of view is important. Your point of view on your industry, your specialty, your expertise, your interactions with your existing customers, the benefits you're providing to the customers you already have, how you approach things, and how you consider things. Can AI do that? Does AI know that? Will GPT-5 be able to do it? If you've watched any of my earlier videos, you'll remember me talking about metacognition, the ability to think about, to ruminate on, to consider, and even, dare I say, have intuition, is a uniquely human capability, at least for now, and I suspect for some time in the future. And for you and your business and leveraging AI, that is good news. Why? Well, AI is good at logic, and it's great at culling through information and data and pulling out specific details that when we, with our expertise, take a look, we can expand, enhance, and run with the ideas in a way that AI is unable to easily do right now. See, what has you be unique in your market? Well, it's your unique take on things, your expertise, pulling from the years of insights you've gleaned doing what you do, your experiences that have shaped you and your outlook. See, all of that is what you bring to the table, and AI can't match that. GPT-5, which will introduce a host of new capabilities, won't have that. So, what's the best way to leverage it all? What's the best way to harness AI to augment your intelligence, to activate your expertise and thinking, so you can easily execute and produce content that will resonate and activate your ideal customers, the people who are perfect to work with you. See, publishing content for content's sake isn't a roadmap to revenue, and it doesn't make you stand out. It may or may not speak directly to your ideal customers. But hey, you're getting something out there, right? No. The question is it helping you? See, worst case, it's having people ignore you. Is that what you want? So let me ask you, what is the best use of your time? If your content was able to connect with your ideal customer in new ways that activated them, that helped them, that build relationships with them, would that make a difference? See, like what Fran has been able to accomplish in the past 6 weeks, honing in on his ideal customer profile definition, generating insights, and augmenting his outreach to a new audience, and he's already getting results. Here's what he said. Since revising our ICP descriptions a few weeks ago, we've gathered a lot more content to pair with our short versions of the 10-minute videos. We discovered that by tailoring the content to provide different insights in each short video, we attracted a broader audience with varying interests, which led to increased downloads. Using the same 10-minute video across 4 different blogs and a few Instagram posts resulted in 13 new downloads. We then set up an automated email to go out a few days later, linking back to the full YouTube video and including an offer. The responses are just starting to come in, and so far we have 3 new prospects taking advantage of the offer. Now that is leveraging AI insights to catapult his brand in the eyes of his ideal customers, right? That is a roadmap to revenue. 13 new leads and 3 new customers. And that was just in the past week or so since he made those shifts. And he started 6 weeks ago overall with a new launch. See, it's an evolutionary process, one that starts and then can constantly evolve, where you see new ways to present your ideas and insights in ways that are helpful to your ideal customer and getting the results and new customers that you need. That is leveraging AI at the strategic advisory level. See, that's where it all starts. Leveraging AI to elevate your products and services in the eyes of your ideal customers. Augmenting and activating your expertise, your point of view. That's the whole idea. So where do you start? It's simple. By answering 3 questions and getting deep insights about your ideal customer. And yes, you could hire a persona expert to create these for you and conduct the interviews with your customers to get voice of the customer, right? And I'm not knocking any of that, but it's expensive and time consuming. When what you want are results and a roadmap to revenue for your products and services that you can get started with quickly and evolve over time as you learn, right? Where you don't have to become a prompt jockey. I mean, for God's sakes, who wants that? You've got a business to run and grow. You have other things on your plate. And yes, it takes thought. It is not push a button and you're done. It's push a button and you accelerate off the blocks. You're in action, creating precision strikes, making a difference, publishing with purpose, and expanding your reach and awareness. As you go, you learn and adapt to improve, as I shared with you about Fran and his results. See, GPT-5 will be here before you know it. And the way it will augment your thinking will be even better. But replace you? Not yet. Maybe not ever. So let me ask you this. Are you getting the revenue you need? Is your marketing bringing in the leads that are engaged with you? What would you really love to be achieving? See, is the path you're on now yielding the revenue and consistency that you want? What would be possible if it did? So check it out for yourself. Go to campaigncoach.ai/get-started. Or if you'd like to explore what might be possible for you, grab a time on my calendar at campaigncoach.ai/explore. It's as simple as that. So here's to elevating your results and doing marketing that elevates what you need to get the results consistently so you thrive.